Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibe channel. If your VIZIO TV remote isn't working, or you want a smarter way to control your TV, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you how to use your mobile phone as a remote control for your VIZIO Smart TV, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to control everything right from your phone without needing the physical remote. Let's start. Step 1. Download the VIZIO mobile app. Start by downloading the official VIZIO mobile app. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, go to the App Store. Type VIZIO Mobile in the search bar and make sure it's published by VIZIO Incorporated. Tap Install and wait for the download to finish. This app works with all VIZIO SmartCast TVs, so check your TV model before proceeding. Step 2. Connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi. Next, ensure both your smartphone and your VIZIO Smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and confirm your network. Then on your TV, open Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, and make sure it's the same network. This connection allows the app and the TV to communicate seamlessly. Step 3. Pair your phone with the TV. Open the VIZIO mobile app. It will automatically start scanning for nearby VIZIO TVs. When your TV's name appears, tap on it. A 4-digit pairing code will appear on your TV screen. Enter that code into your app, and your phone will instantly connect to your TV. You've now successfully paired your phone with your VIZIO Smart TV. Step 4. Control and explore features. Once connected, your phone becomes your remote. You can change channels, adjust volume, open streaming apps, and even power your TV on or off, all from your mobile. You can also use your phone's keyboard to type faster when searching apps or entering text. It's convenient, smart, and makes controlling your TV much easier. Step 5. Troubleshooting connection issues. If your app doesn't detect your TV, here's how to fix it. Restart both your VIZIO TV and your smartphone. Ensure they're still on the same Wi-Fi network. Update the VIZIO mobile app from the Play Store or App Store. Finally, try repairing your devices by re-entering the 4-digit code. These simple fixes solve 90% of connection problems instantly. And that's how you can use your mobile phone as a remote control for your VIZIO Smart TV. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Drop your questions in the comments. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.